Okay, so in this lecture, we'll be looking at page object model concept. This is pretty much very widely used concept in Selenium frameworks, especially in web applications. When script is small, script maintenance looks easy, but with time, test suite will grow. As you add more and more lines to your code, things become tough. The chief problem with script maintenance is that if 10 different scripts are using the same page element, with any change in that element, you need to change all 10 scripts. This is time consuming and error prone. A better approach to script maintenance is to create a separate class file which would find web elements, fill them, or verify them. This class can be reused in all the scripts using that element. In future, if there is a change in the web element, we need to make change in just one class file and not 10 different scripts. This approach is called page object model, which is POM. It helps make the code more readable, maintainable, and reusable. Advantages of POM, that is page object model. Page object pattern says operations and flows in the UI should be separated from verification. This concept makes our code cleaner and easy to understand. The second benefit is the object repository is independent of test cases. So we can use the same object repository for different purpose with different tools. Now the third advantage is code becomes less and optimized because of the reusable page methods in the POM classes. Methods get more realistic names which can be easily mapped with the operations happening in the UI. That is, if after clicking on the button we land on home page, then the method name will be like go to home page. Now this is theoretical knowledge, but having said that, we'll be looking at some practical example in the next lecture. But just to give an idea about page object model, the most advantageous thing about page object model is reusability as well as maintainability. Of course, when the test suite increases from one test case to 10 test case, then there will be complexity involved in maintaining the test scripts if we don't stick to something like page object model.